what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. Some of you are going to cringe because you are hair experts or you actually went to school for this and I didn't, but that is why this is a DIY. I dyed my hair in the past, like 3 years ago. When it was really long, I actually went completely blonde. Crazy, right? I have black hair and I just go completely blonde. Ended up going completely purple. I actually don't want to continue dyeing my hair. I really want to take care of it, which is kind of crazy because I'm like kind of contradicting myself, but listen though, my hair is already pretty damaged. I'm like, you know what the heck, I have short hair, I could just go with it and just do the last of the last, and if it doesn't work out, so be it. It's dying. I know, so bad. I got this at Sally's, Aqua Intensive Shine. This is semi-permanent and I do know this Ion brand. I've used it since I started dyeing my hair, so I just feel like I can't go wrong. So let's do this. No mami, en tu boca no. Yeah, I only speak to my daughter in Spanish. Spanish is gonna be her first language. She gets so sassy. No, en tu boca no. En tu boca no. Te lo voy a quitar. That is very dark bluey looking. Now see what the heck is going on. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go like that. Whoa, it's happening. It's really happening. Yay. Flowers today, flowers today. Flowers come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Half in here. This is all I have. It's only been like 10 minutes into finishing it. I was talking and being a little slow, but now it should be good. So yeah guys, I'm about to go ahead and wash this blue out. Hopefully it looks super dope. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I showered completely, redid my makeup, straightened my hair. I didn't really go too in depth. I feel like the video would have been so much longer, but I hope you got a gist of how I did my hair. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below what you think. If you're gonna dye your hair as well, let me know. Not forget to turn that bell to get notified every time I post.